And they also do this.
Yeah, the big old one. Okay, where are we going, Davis?
To the animal place.
We are, and I can never remember its name. Lazy something, lazy, some, I don't know, farm. Luke, are you excited to feed the animals? The big ones, the giraffes?
No, not the big ones.
Only the little ones?
Hey
Guys, we're at the Lazy 5 Ranch, and wow, it's crowded. Yeah. Sam?
A camel.
Is your mama a llama?
See the camel?
Is your mama a camel?
There's camels. Oh, look, he's rolling over and scratching himself.
Trying to see it.
Oh, well, you missed. He quit. He was scratching his back. He's like Lola, the way Lola rolls around in the carpet. Hey, what you doing? Hey, Davis. Don't let a donkey get you. Or a llama.
Whenever you start digging.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Fun. Hey, that's a. You're talking about that sheep, Davis? That's coming this way.
Yeah, it looks like a ram.
It is.
Huh, apparently they like you guys. Huh?
Ram, yeah.
They're surrounding us. Oh, look at the little one. Look at him.
Hello, little guy. He's coming to us.
He's cute. He looks like Tigger, doesn't he? Look at his face.
I'm not ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
Here, hang on. Davis doesn't think he can hold his bucket of food.
I can hold it for you, buddy.
Why is he facing backwards?
Well, I told him, look, when he sits down, he's not going to be able to feed. Like, if he's up on his knees, he can reach over me. He can feed behind us.
Okay.
No, don't.
Oh, look, they're coming right at you.
Can't help the bump though.
Listen, if you, oh.
You don't want to feed him or what?
It's coming for you, Kiana.
What are we doing?
He's
worry
freaking
about
Kiana
that.
out.
Don't worry about that.
Look at that tiny little
Look
pig.
at that little piglet. Look at him, guys.
Little piece of bacon right there.
He's a little bit. Look at
Look at them. They're riding each other.
It's huge. Oh my gosh.
Ryan goes, oh goodness. I thought we still
Oh.
talking about a deer.
Oh, he just wanted the whole bucket. They know how to do it, don't they? They stick their whole nose in it.
Oh no, hey, like you got a whole bunch of feet in your car.
That ain't no big deal. Just don't let him see it. He might take the car. We'll be walking out of here. Just open the door and reach down and get that thing.
I don't think it's gonna do that.
Wow.
He's not in. He says, I got a whole bucket.
He's got a whole bucket. He stole. He don't.
Reach over and touch it.
No.
Over here, look.
Right there.
Hello.
Look at Luke.
You don't want it.
He says, nope, sorry, I want a whole bucket.
Just bit me.
You want to steal a whole bucket, don't you? Ew. Ew, I want to see him.
Watch. Ready?
Put your hand above it. Like this.
Stick your hand above him. Watch him.
Push his head. Push his head.
Oh my gosh, another.
Look, here we go.
It says just pour it
Yay!
down my mouth.
Yeah. Move
Hey,
it.
you want somebody?
Ah, Terry. This one did.
Yeah. Oh, look at his little furry body. He's not gonna move.
Licking. He's sticking his tongue on me.
Oh, big guy. Hey, guy, we don't got nothing for you.
I don't have nothing. Clayton, I'm gonna need you to go.
Kiana's getting it. They're getting attacked. Clayton, he's coming over here.
Just don't stick your hand up.
Yeah, you can't feed the zebras. That's the rules.
Hi,
Says, who
buddy.
says you can't feed me?
Hey, look. Oh, well, Clayton.
Says stop.
Okay, well.
Hey, look over here.
He's just dancing. He's bobbing his head along. His eyeballs whenever he gets fed.
Yeah, he was trying to wrap his tongue around your
His
ponytail.
eyeball.
I'm really glad. Here.
He wants
Oh,
to stick
his
his head
breath
inside
stinks.
the...
He wants to stick his horns in here.
Hello.
God, your breath's horrible.
I know.
What do you think about it so far? You like the big things?
No.
The big. You don't like those?
No.
They kind of creep you out.
And they win. They do.
They steal buckets, don't they? They're bucket stealers.
And they also do this.
Yeah, the big old long tongue.
And some do this.
Yeah, I
And they're
know.
done.
I hear something at me. They're so cute. He's giving it a bath. That is so sweet.
Yeah, I got you, man.
Oh, look.
What's he trying to do?
They're starting to get hurt.
What you trying to do, Lucky?
Having fun, Davis? Yeah, I still think that would have been funny if that would have got Kim on his hair, don't you?
Hold on, Luke.
Yeah.
I think we should let the herd of traffic go, or
If you want to.
We're traveling now.
I'm literally, it's in 4-wheel-drive low. I'm making it go as slow as possible.
I almost just died.
This is 1 mile per hour.
We would. Hey, mister.
No, no,
Oh, he's small. He's small in comparison. Kim,
no. You're crazy. You're crazy.
Oh, gross.
You crazy.
Over here.
We're trying to get him to eat my hair. Look how it lives.
Huh?
Oh, I'm trying to get him to keep.
she doesn't trust you anymore.
It goes.
Do that.
Don't crush my bucket. It's right here.
Oh, he'll reach in and get your bucket. Ryan, why do you have him following us?
Look, Dad.
Yes. You don't watch what you're offering. Oh, yeah, he does. Here he comes. Aww.
Here.
All right, stick your hand in here. Get
Hey,
your
Luke.
Look at this.
You do it, Luke. He says, yummy. Davis, are you
It's fine.
feeding
We got
him?
another bucket.
Here, get it out of mine,
Yeah.
Davis. Get it out of mine.
Why?
Because you're blowing food dust all over me.
Let him chew it, he says. Let me chew it.
Look at this baby cow up here you can see.
There you go, Davis.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you gotta keep your hand flat.
Isn't he cute?
Eat up.
Read up. You're dropping all your food.
Yeah.
Luke.
Wait.
Oh, there's a baby calf.
I want to pet it.
Get the big hairy one.
I like the big hairy one, too.
Gosh, I don't want to feed you.
He can't even see. He's good.
We will pour it into the mouth, though.
No,
Biggie,
Biggie.
no,
Come
Biggie.
here. Come here, Biggie.
Okay.
She wants to eat.
Start leading to you the hand.
Come on, buddy.
He's not interested. He is not
I want to
moving.
take it through his windshield. His windshield.
Slink
I
it
want to see
down.
the baby cow.
Look at that.
Wanna try it? Watch it.
He wants
Watch it.
in
He
with
turns his
you.
head.
Please go.
Watch his head.
Here comes another
Here
one.
comes another one.
Oh, spiky horn.
Look, that's the dangerous one. Please go.
Hand.
Yeah, I'm good. I wouldn't with those horns. You might want to watch his horns.
Bigger
Ginormous.
than the Jeep.
Golly.
I don't. That.
Even the big brown one.
What is that?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it could.
They're not gonna come over here. Why don't you?
I can take a picture.
Stop being a weirdo, man.
I can take a picture of them from up
The
here.
lady behind him just kept smiling at him because he's staring her down.
Well, they
Let me take
get
a
right
picture
up
of
on our bumper.
I know.
Good, but this ain't.
Look at
That is so weird.
I would
Watch him
rather
lick
eat
the
our
pole.
shelter.
The horse don't even like something. Look, it looks like it's gagging.
Counting, Lou. How long it takes for us to get out of here?
You got like 2. It's extremely tiny.
Luke, you want to pet the baby buffalo?
Hi.
Hello, friend.
Look at the little baby
See that?
buffalo.
Yeah, it's all spiky looking.
Touch it.
Pet it. Pet it.
Yay,
Pet it.
Lou, pet him,
Look,
pet
right
him.
here.
What you say?
Pet its beard.
How does he feel, Lou? Ooh.
All right, go.
Hey, mister.
Pet its beard. Its beard.
Ooh. Ooh.
New York and that.
Yeah, I don't know why you're riding into New York.
Never know.
Is that some kind of reference to something I don't know about?
You can do it.
Move close.
799.
Is it coming?
No.
799.
Isn't he cute?
Yeah, you can catch it.
If you can get away from its mom.
Well, you might want to feed the Luke.
I know, right? Oh no, they're looking for another bucket to steal. You're not supposed to bother them.
Didn't say anything about not petting.
Well, if they have to.
One hanging out over here that nobody.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Mr. Bucket Thief, he's good.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead.
I want to pet it.
Well, they don't like him, I
Nobody
guess.
likes Carl.
Oh, stop it! You're making us look bad.
Carl says the heck with it. I'm going.
Oh, he's very James.
I'm pretty sure.
Look how stupid they are. Why have they got his head down here?
Hey.
Over here, I'm trying to feed both of them so they don't go anywhere.
Well, there's your bucket. There, you can feed the llamas.
Eat it. Eat it.
Feed it, llama.
Mookie.
Pet him now.
Could you imagine trying to untangle that? Look at that.
He says, don't touch my hair. Luke, he likes you feeding him. says, why don't you count for me?
I don't really appreciate you trying to feed a llama over my shoulder.
I'm trying to get someone behind you.
Sir?
Hug around his neck.
Alright, Piggy.
No, really, looks like there's a bird in front of us. He says, excuse me? He wants something to eat. Give him something to eat. You mean the big cow? Yeah, I think that's the one that's been wanting to eat Kiana.
The big cow, 1941.
Watch his little mouth.
Yeah, that's the one that's been wanting to eat Kiana.
His little mouth goes.
Oh, watch him chew. Oh, he's so cute.
I'll get him over here on this side. I'll get the
It's
big guy.
coming. He's so cute.
That's gotta be.
Oh, there's Biggin.
He's coming over there.
Kiana, he's the one that's wanting to eat you the whole time. I'm pretty sure we need to just go.
Alright, we're moving.
Where are we going?
Wait.
Watch his horn.
Gross. Yeah, that's the one that's wanting to eat you, Kiana.
Oh, Go faster! Faster!
Oh my goodness, there's a little deer in the water. Ew.
He's on feet.
Yeah.
We got a whole bunch of stuff over here.
You're slow. Look at all that traffic we had behind us.
I know, that's one.
Hey, you gotta enjoy
Way
the
to dump
animals.
food all over him.
Yeah, man, what's the point of rushing through it?
I don't know, but he's waiting to see if anybody feeds us. What, the little baby?
What is
Yeah,
that?
look over here.
Look here, he's waiting.
What is it?
Here.
Everywhere.
Right here, look, Luke.
Is that a llama?
You gonna feed him?
Hold your hands straight out, remember.
Open your fingers up there.
Yeah.
Eat it. You just see how forceful he is to eat it.
Some more.
I want to feed it.
A bucket.
When you do your
Hold it
hand,
over. Hold it
don't
away
dump
from
your
it.
hand down.
Just
Keep
hold
like
it
this,
flat.
like this.
Look.
You guys dump it out before they even.
Put your hand full.
Yep, now give it to me. There you go.
See, you're dumping it out.
See?
See, there you.
Just Clayton, shut up. There's tunnels and slides and all kinds of goodies. Bye, Luke. Dave. Yeah, you singing to the corn?
Luke, come here. Phoebe, go on.
I think he's bored.
Phoebe, you're not doing it fast enough.
Don't bury his face, David. Not his face. Watch this one, he's waiting.
Smile for me. Hey, look.
Like that guy? Like, don't stick your hands in there, Bubby. They do have teeth. Oh, he's cute. Hey, little fella. Hey. I don't have the food. The food man's coming. Okay. The donkey says, excuse me, I was here first. Or mule.
Go into the food.
You don't want it. He wants Luke's popcorn. You can't have the popcorn, buddy. Look him. He just wants to eat out of it.
I know. Count this one.
Luke, honey, what are you doing way over there, baby?
Yeah.
He just.
The llama just spit on the donkey.
Ew. Why are you standing over there?
Yeah, wait.
He said says I'll spit on you.
You don't want to mess with the llamas? You don't have to. You don't gotta touch them. Do it. Thank you. Want it? We do not need a llama. Sorry.
Look, come feed this one.
He don't want to touch them. You might watch out, Luke. You might spit on you. This one did.
No, yeah, that guy spits.
The donkey made him mad. The mule made him mad.
I'm leaving.
They're nice and gentle.
They're so cute. I love these kangaroos. Don't you, Luke? Look at them all laid out, relaxing. Oh, yeah, goats are pretty awesome.
They also have beards.
You like their beards?
His hands, they're wobbly.
By the ears.
No, you wouldn't want.
I want to see it just completely.
I want to see that one scratch his belly again.
But like this.
Yeah. He's not going to anymore.
Oh, with the doorknob.
Now it's a little butt.